Today I am going to draw cooker. So let's get started. First draw a curve. Now I am going to draw two small curves on both sides. Next draw one more curve. Now draw two small curves on both sides. Then attach both curves. Now draw two curved lines on both sides. Next, draw a curve at the end. Now draw the lower area of cooker. Now draw curved lines on both sides for the handle. Now draw a curved line. Draw a small rectangle on the front side of the cooker. Next, draw one small rectangular shape in it. Now draw two small rectangles for buttons. And draw one more rectangle to represent the control panel. Now, refine the shapes and ensure all lines are smooth and connected properly. Now, go over your marker to finalize the drawing and make it more prominent. Erase any unnecessary guidelines. Now our drawing is completed. So it's time to add some colours. Use appropriate colours like silver, black or white to colour the cooker.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.